Session Zeros ensure that everyone has fun. The DM will assign like an hour or so to give vague-ish details about the adventure ahead. Maybe the location, the theme, the goal, and then players can roll their characters and the DM can suggest any tweaks, such as I allow them to do full health no matter what level they start at. Campaigns have special backgrounds that can be taken and fit your characters into the game ahead much better. And maybe there's a decision that certain builds aren't allowed because they know that it's too overpowered or there's some issue with it. Everybody might know roughly what they're doing. I'm playing a Dwarf Paladin and this subclass, but they're all going to roll together and build at the same time. And that allows for anyone to go, oh, should I be the healer? Oh, do we need a wizard? And it's much more of a group effort. Now, this isn't a whole session. This, like I say, it's an hour or so. And the DM, at least what I do, I sit back and I'm reading what's coming at the start of the adventure again. So that when they've built and we move on to safety tools, it's like, in my game, I know the players. And so it's like, look, don't really want swearing, don't really want sexual undertones. Is there anything else that somebody doesn't want? And then some big campaigns actually have YouTube videos that are player introductions, so there's no real spoilers, but it gives them a sense of what's to come. And then it's basically, look, any questions? Oh yeah, can I swap this out with this? Yeah, sure. Or can I have a Vorpal sword at level 1? No. Can I instantly start with a mount? Up to you. And if you don't want to get into the adventure proper, just bang those built characters, boom, into a location, village, mountainside, give them some test dummies almost, or, you know, real monsters to try out their weapons, their magic, decide whether they're happy with it, just by literally making it up on the spot. Think of it like a tutorial in a video game. But as I say, I'm usually ready to go, so if there's half an hour left, or an hour, or 2 hours, I'd be like, right, everyone's cool, we start. And we're in. Then it's just a case of, look, any backstories that you're going to do between now and the next session, let me know. And it's as easy as that.